Okay guys, so today I'll be installing the dapt oil relocate kit. So I had that for the mount, as well as the bolt for the oil filter. I installed it so you put the locking part down there. So a couple 90s, some lag bolts, those two hoses, and obviously some stickers. So I think I'm going to install it on the firewall, just so it's nice and easy out of the way kind of thing. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I chose to install it right there. I don't got it fully tightened yet. I was just testing it out, but the hoses are long enough. I went down there. Right now I got the plugs on just because I don't have an oil filter yet. So, but that will work perfectly. It seems to avoid the headers as well, so that'll be good. I do recommend going before you put the engine in, because I had to go from the back way. And installed it right there. Just move that one thing out of the way and looks good. Okay, so just an update. Did a lot of work today. Got the transmission mount put in. Put in the rad with the fan. Some good space there. Probably have to come up with a shroud or something. I did the oil relocate kit. I don't have it plumbed in yet. Don't have an oil filter for it. But the hose should make it there. And got some of the plumbing for the rad installed. Use the original hoses almost. Gotta find where I put those ones. Here we go. It's coming along. Okay, so I ended up going on vacation. If you ended up seeing that last little short video, I went to Croatia, saw that supercar, quite a few supercars there. But anyways, I got the Fram filter. If you're wondering which kind you get the PH8A. See, it fits pretty good there. Got the tubes ran and hooked up now. Did quite a bit of work. I got the fan hooked up. See, barely any gap. As well as I got the accessories. So I gotta do the power steering, but lots of room there. Got the alternator, and I got the coils back on with the plug wires. I gotta replace the spark plugs yet. So it's slowly but surely getting there. Okay, so there we go. So I got my low car linkage, kind of bended it a bit to go around the filter and around the exhaust. So this is in the park position. And then I'll move it to the reverse position here. Or I guess not the reverse, but all the way to first. Okay, and there we go. As you can see, looks like the exhaust should clear. It might be a little bit tight there. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. Might be a little bit tight there, but I think it should be cleared, so that's good. Perfect. Now onto the fuel system and other things. Assistant one right there, and our newest assistant, Millie. Hey.